Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the attendance feature on Canvas. So if you have a face-to-face course and you're using Canvas, the attendance feature is a great tool to use. Not only will it help you keep track of your attendance, but it will also show your students their attendance in your course. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we want the attendance option to appear on our menu bar. Right now, it's nowhere in sight. That's because we have to activate it. So I'm going to go to the course that I want the attendance to use the attendance feature. I'm going to click on settings on that course. Once I am in settings, I'm going to click up here on navigation so that I can see the menu items in my course. So anything that's here on top, the students can see and is an active menu item. Anything on the bottom, students cannot see and it may be disabled or inactive. So the attendance feature is down here. What I want to do is I want to click on it and drag it on up and drop it there. Once I've done that, I'm going to scroll down and click Save. Once it is saved, the attendance item will appear on my menu bar, just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that to show you what it looks like. So in this course, I only have one student enrolled. Hopefully you'll have more than one student enrolled in your course. So here's my student, Steve Jobs. When I first go into the attendance feature and I am on a new date, every student will have this kind of circle with a slash over it. So I can click on this circle to mark Steve Jobs present. If I click one more time, it'll mark him absent. And if I do one last click, it'll mark him tardy. Okay? And one more will take us back to that original null and void sign. Now, if you have a long list, you maybe want to just mark all present and then go through and mark individual students either absent or tardy. So I'm going to mark Steve Jobs absent because I want to show you something that this attendance tool does that we probably don't want to use. Once you use the attendance feature, what it's going to do is it's going to link up with your Canvas gradebook. So if you use your Canvas gradebook and you do not use attendance as a grade, then you want to continue to watch this video so that we can disable that grade. So I'm going to go into grades to show you what happens. And this happened automatically. I didn't do anything different. So in my grade book, I have Steve Jobs, and I now have this roll call attendance column that I did not create. Canvas automatically created that. So I want to delete this column because I don't use attendance as a grade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this little navigation menu to show the menu, and I'm going to go to assignments. Once I'm in assignments, I have this roll call attendance assignment that once again I did not create. Canvas created this on its very own once I activated that attendance feature and I marked Steve Jobs absent. So I'm going to click on the actual assignment. Then I'm going to click Edit Assignment Settings. So once I'm here, I'm going to scroll down to where it says Display Grade As, and I am going to choose Not Graded. Once I've done that, I'm going to click Save. So what that's going to do is if I go back into my grade book, it's going to make that roll call column disappear and Steve Jobs no longer has an F. And one other thing, if I click on assignments, now I'm still going to have that roll call attendance column here. I'm going to leave it there. I don't want to delete it. I don't want to get rid of it. Okay, it's fine if it lives there, but now it's not affecting your students' grades. So that is how to use the attendance feature on Canvas. It's very helpful, but you do have to do a little setting up. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me.